everyone. I am Dixie Marias. I'm excited to introduce a project I've been working on, a responsive web application that allows users to manage their profiles and create image-based posts. This application features real-time form validation, modal-based interfaces, and synchronization with remote server through RESTful APIs. It is designed with a clean UX principles and a modal JavaScript structure that makes it easier to scale and maintain. What makes this project unique is its emphasis on modularity and user experience. Rather than writing all the logic in a single file, I split the application into separate modules, handling validation, API interactions, and UI updates independently. This separation of concerns not only improves readability, but also prepares the app for feature expansion or integration with frameworks like React. The main goal of the project was to build a dynamic user-centered interface. I wanted users to be able to edit profiles, and avatars, hide or remove image cards, preview full size images in a modal, and interact with the app in real time, all without a single page reload. This requires building a UI that feels fast, responsive, and intuitive. Some key features include a clean, responsive card layout with image previews, profile editing with avatar updates, full validated form inputs, and interactive buttons for liking or deleting content. All these features communicate with a remote server using asynchronous fetch requests, ensuring that data remains in sync at all times. Technically, the app is powered by an API JS class that centralizes all server requests, from retrieving user info and initial cards to editing user data, posting new cards, and tagging likes. When an app reloads, it fetches the user profile and card list using a single get app info method, which uses premise.all method for efficient parallel requests. Each card is built from a template element, cloned and filled with data before being rendered to the DOM. Cards include buttons for liking, deleting, previewing images, profile and avatar updates open in modal with real-time validation. I use a utility function called handle submit without loading to provide feedback during API calls. For example, changing button text from save to saving while the request is in progress. Form validation is handled through a separate validation.js module. It ensures user enter the valid input, shows incline error messages, and disables submit buttons when forms are incomplete. This system is activated with one function called enable validation. It's concise, reusable, and ensures all formats behave consistently throughout the app. Of course, the project wasn't without its challenges. Handling modal accessibility, such as enabling escape key cluster and background clicks, require careful event management. I also had to account for patchwork API failures, ensuring that the app will still load what it will without crashing. Managing application state between modals, especially during delete actions, was solved using track variables like selected and selected.id. In the end, I met my goal of creating a fast, responsive, and scalable application. I'm proud of how modular and clean the code base is, and I'm excited to keep improving it. Feature enhancement include persistent likes per user, drag and drop card sorting, and a possible transition to React for better state management. If you are curious to explore the code or try it out, check the links in the description. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.